Hey guys, this is Fundo on Manchupagama. Coming up next on Imbewu this week. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Monday. Noxola confessed to working with Maharaj and Kulego discover he is a shareholder at Maluju. Fikile feels the pressure from Kemisi to make contact with Kulego. She see Buhle and agree to meet with the family but on her terms. Tuesday, Zetulele has a nightmare of Sakile murdering him and attack Glem's boy in a freezer. Zagiti is dumbfounded to learn that Igile is alive, and Mandlovu loses it when she discovers that Maharaji is a shareholder at Maluju. Wednesday, Maharaji cut a deal with Kulego to help founding Makosazana in returning for Kulu help with something else. While Kanyo blames Pagate for running things with Mzwandile. This day, Mandlovu is shocked to see Figile alive and make a big effort to reconcile with her. But Figile has no interest in connecting with the Bengo family. Friday, Kulego and Figile first face-to-face account and when Figile bowled, Maharaji arrived at Nairobi Place, but Nairobi chased him away. That is for this week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.